And we're back to JavaScript. Let me show you how you can use the map method. It can also be used to apply a function or call a function for every element in an array, but it's going to create a new array. Let me define a new variable. Let me call that times2. I store our array using the map method, and inside we're going to call a function. Let me just call that 2. Now we create that function, so we need the function keyword. I've called that 2, so I give it the name 2, regular brackets and curly brackets. And inside we want to simply return the value, so each element in the array times 2. I have to give that to the function as parameter. When we print out our array, we'll get the one that we've set up. So not times 2, it's 12, 5, 55, and so forth. But now our new variable right here, times 2, it stores our array after the function was called. So if I add times 2 here, we have 24, 10, 110, and so forth. And this is how you can use the map method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.